As many of you might be aware that Microsoft has recently stopped providing free certification vouchers for training day event. However, I recently came to know about a new program using which you can avail 50% on Azure exams, including associate level and professional level certifications. So I thought of sharing with you an amazing offer, 50% discount voucher for Azure certifications exam. If you're looking to boost your career in the field of cloud computing, this is an opportunity you don't want to miss. Azure certifications are highly respected in the industry and can open doors to new job opportunities and career advancements. With the details provided in this video, you can save 50% on exam fees, making it more affordable than ever to get started or get certified in Microsoft Azure. In this video, I will walk you through the process of accessing the discount vouchers and redeeming them for your desired certification exams. Let's get started. So this is the site that the Azure has developed. So this is where you can get more details regarding this program. Okay, so the program itself they have built as 30 days to learn it. Okay, so you can start your journey by just clicking on this, but before going and starting your journey, let me give some brief on this program and what are the do's and don'ts. Okay, so first you see this survey. It says that 77% of professionals got promotion or landed a new role or entered technical programs after becoming certified. So certification itself holds a value in our interviews. So to achieve your career goals, you can be eligible for 50% of the cost of the Microsoft certification exam, but you need to complete the challenge within 30 days. So these are all the different challenges that you can see. We have Azure Network Engineer, we have Azure Data Fundamentals, you have Database Administrator, Information Protection. So you can pick up any one of these particular challenges and you can get started. For example, let's say I'm interested in DevOps. Okay, I'll just click on Get Started, and here you can start this by entering your address, or you can just sign into this page and you can start it, right? You can just click on Begin Now, and you will be asked to provide some details, basic details like email address, full name, and so on. And after you start it, basically you will get email notification regarding the further processes. Okay, first you need to set a goal for yourself, set a goal to complete this collection. So with a goal, you are more likely to complete the learning content. Next, you can learn and develop skills. Okay, but if you have more questions or queries, you can just check out this frequently asked questions where I have gone through. Basically, this program is only valid till June 30th, 2023. So you have more than 50 days left. So I think probably you can complete this 30-day challenge even if you take this challenge tomorrow or after 10 days, right? So don't, waste this particular opportunity, because I feel that this opportunity should be utilized, because I'm sure that in future you will not be getting such opportunities. In my channel, I've been posting a lot about these free certifications lately. If you see here, I got to know about 100% free Google Cloud certification voucher, and I've shared that also. So if you want to excel in any of the cloud, so you can take advantage of these particular challenges and get certified. Okay, so let me know in the comment section on which cloud you are concentrating on, whether it can be an AWS or Azure or GCP, right? So let me know in the comment section how are you preparing and what's your preparation journey. So there are few terms and conditions for this particular challenge you need to go through. So I cannot even go through all the terms and condition. I'll drop the link to this as well in the description. Go and check this out. Basically, this offer is you need to complete this challenge by 30 days. Only then you will be able to get your certification voucher. Okay. So, and this one is important. There is only limit for one voucher per person every 6 months. Basically, that means if you are enrolling it today or by the next 10 days, you will be getting only one voucher where you can take and take the certification exam. Okay, so start date refers to the first access on the learning model. So it doesn't mean that once you go and sign up, this is going to be your first day. No, once you start preparing or start learning the modules, only then it will be considered as the first day. Okay, then you need to complete by 30 days. Okay, so that is another important thing that you need to note. And you should complete this challenge by 30th of June 2023. Okay, so you still have a lot of time, and how to use the voucher and all the details regarding that is provided here. I will not be able to go through each and every frequently asked questions and the terms and conditions. I would give the link to this in the description. Please go through that. Okay, so don't lose this opportunity, because this is a great opportunity for us to save some amount and invest that in other opportunities, right? So I hope you like the video, and if you're liking the content that I'm creating, please consider subscribing and share it among your friends. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one.